Wait for it.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a
Oh,
Happy
that's better. I like
New
that.
Year.
That's much better.
For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy
Won't
pudding.
go.
For we all
Won't
like
go.
figgy pudding.
Won't go.
So bring
Won't
it
go.
out here.
Won't go.
The
Stop. Ah.
tidings we bring to you and your king.
Gets me every time.
We wish
Every single
you a
time.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
So
We
she's
wish you a
let's see.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Not on the regular, but she had it a year or two. That would be fun. Learning all the instruments would be fun. She's very smart, or just sit down and learn it like that. It's a first year piano class. It's not like she's never played piano before. So, also she plays a lot of pitched percussion, which means anything that looks like a xylophone. So, things that you hit with mallets that have a pitch to them. So that's laid out in a keyboard format. So if you understand the keyboard, if you understand the sharps and the flats where they are, then you basically have a lot of piano experience. So piano is similar to xylophone, but you just play it with your fingers instead of with mallets. So that's probably why she's able to do that. So you don't take lessons, just... Oh, you're talking about your daughter? Doesn't take lessons, just plays with it? Awesome. That's what I did for a long time. When I was a teenager, I did a lot of that. And then I picked up a book by Billy Joel, and that was way hard. Playing Piano Man is way hard. Just the first few measures of Piano Man was impossible. Learning the keys and a couple of beginner songs, cool. Yeah, the keys. Playing keys on guitar. I find guitar to be so much easier than just even thinking of playing piano, because first of all, you can just use a capo to change the key that you're in on a guitar. Second of all, you have to... I mean, I don't know that much about the piano compared to the guitar, but in the guitar there are just so many movable shapes. Maybe that's true on the piano, but not to my knowledge. That's better. That looks more like an ear now. Let's put that in the dark. Ooh, not so much in the dark. All right, people, it is 6:55. Let's see. We should do some rating. Shall we do some rating? Who should we raid? Who? Yes, I'm gonna raid Movo. If you don't know Movo, she's a Christian gamer, streamer, fantastic with the chat. She responds to everything that the chat says. I'm more and more impressed with Movo every time that I go to see her. So let's put the raid announcement in the chat. Okay, well, I guess raid 2 is not going to work, but go ahead and use raid 1. Copy the raid announcement from my chat into her chat. Oops, that was the wrong button. Let's try this. What does this button do? Alright, let's see who's with me. 2 viewers, 3 viewers ready to raid, 5 viewers ready to raid, 6 viewers ready to raid. Alright, thank you for being with me tonight. I plan to be here on Thursday night from 5 to 7 as well. And until then, may the Lord be with you. Peace. Raiding out.